What's up, YouTube? Coming at you, gonna give you a video that I've never done before. Give you a small shop and toolbox tour. Start with my small box. At the bottom I have some straps. A small box with some random stuff in it. At the top of the box I have some screws, zip ties, and some electrical connections. In that drawer has some spare wrenches. This drawer has some tire pressure gauge, spark plug gap, hose clamp. This drawer has some air fittings and some Teflon tape. This drawer has a tire plug kit, some Sharpies, nothing much. This drawer I have a belt and some wire loom. Has some cork and some silicone in this drawer, some gloves, and an engraver, a Dremel engraver. Down here has some hoses and some more wire loom. That's pretty much it for that box. On these shelves up here I have my blower. I have a Ryobi chainsaw and a Ryobi pole saw. I have a Milwaukee compact blower. I use that to blow out my shop and blow off my patio and my driveway. It's pretty good for concrete. Hanging on the wall over there, I have most of my lawn stuff. I have a Ryobi battery powered weed eater. And the 4-cycle. Over here on these shelves, I have my Milwaukee circular saw, battery charger, some car wash stuff, lawnmower tune-up kit, and just random stuff. Down here I have a little pressure washer, spare tire, my work table over here. I have a Milwaukee radio, Milwaukee 6-bay charger, Milwaukee room light with a Milwaukee 9.0 battery in it, Ryobi battery charger. Then I have my bench grinder and buffer. Under the table, I have some jack stands, 7-gallon air tank, have a 75-foot hose reel, and a 10-gallon compressor. This is my call bag, pretty much. Have my meters in that bag. Have a Milwaukee screw gun, Milwaukee insulated screwdrivers, flashlights, headlight, electrical tape, stud finders, crimpers, strippers, lineman pliers, things of that nature. That's pretty much my on-call electrical bag. Now, I'm gonna get into the toolbox. Top of the box, I just have some funnels, a pair of shocks. Top left drawer, pretty much spare socket drawer. Nothing really in this drawer, but some parts I need to put on the rigger. That one's empty. That was just a jacket I have on when I'm laying on the ground or something. Have some wire brushes in that drawer. In this drawer I have my scan tool and a Craftsman meter. Have some rags in that one. And a duster in that one. Most of all my tools are in the bottom box. In the top bottom box, this is my socket drawer. This is a Craftsman set. There I have a set of deep socket 12-point standards. And that one I have is just a stainless set, 1/4-inch drives. That set is a 6-point metric set. All of those chrome sockets there are 1/2-inch standard and metric. Those are Milwaukee impact sockets, 3X drive, standards. That's all my extension. This set is a Pittsburgh 37-piece impact socket set. And I have a Milwaukee 1/2-inch drive impact socket set. Standards. My breaker bars, these are Craftsman's. And I have the 3 chrome ratchets. They are Cobalt 92 ratchets. I have Cobalt 92 1/2-inch, 3/8 and 1/4-inch. The next one is a Pittsburgh 72 2/2-inch ratchet. And the next breaker bar is a Duralast breaker bar. On the side over here, I have a Milwaukee floodlight, Pittsburgh magnetic tray. Next drawer down is my screwdriver drawer. Milwaukee Precisions, Milwaukee pick set, couple of Widowmakers and a magnet. That's the newest Milwaukee screwdriver set, and that is the older version. Move over. And I have most of my driver tools. Have a Milwaukee bolt extraction set, Cobalt little ratchet screwdriver set. Have some hex head sockets and some torch sockets. Move down from that one. Sawzall blades, Pittsburgh long needle nose pliers. Then we're gonna move over. A lot of these are Milwaukee. My plier drawer, Milwaukee cutters, crimpers, side cutters, lineman pliers, needle nose pliers, strippers. Got some Klein strippers over here, another pair of crimpers, Milwaukee channel locks. Move down. Milwaukee nut drivers. That is a Milwaukee Torch precision screwdriver set. There is a Pittsburgh wrench set and a Hyper Touch wrench set. All those Allen keys are Pittsburgh. We'll move over from that one. This is my jewelry big drawer. Have a Milwaukee set, Ryobi, Irwin, and a Hitachi set. Have a Black & Decker concrete set. Some multi-tool blades, jigsaw blades. Move down from that one. Some rotary tool accessories. Speed squares. A crimper. Some flap discs. And a battery terminal cleaner. Move over. Have a Pittsburgh pry bar set in the back. Couple Milwaukee and a couple Stanley tape measures. Couple oil filter wrenches. Couple ball peen hammers. File, center punch. And a Milwaukee pipe wrench. I need to get a couple more levels. I need to get some bigger ones. I'm gonna move down. No, let me move. Yeah, move down to that drawer. Have a Black & Decker jigsaw. A Harbor Freight bow tie tool. That's a little cheap heat gun. I can't even remember where it come from. A few extra Milwaukee 18-volt batteries and a few extra 12-volt. I have one right over here. 18-volt battery. Have a Milwaukee stick light. A Milwaukee spotlight and a Milwaukee ladder. The bottom, this is all my power tools. Have a Milwaukee side grinder, Milwaukee hack off, Milwaukee half-inch drill, hammer drill combo, Milwaukee half-inch impact, Milwaukee 3/8 fuel impact, Milwaukee 1/4-inch hex drive fuel impact, Milwaukee 3/8 ratchet, rotary tool, and a Milwaukee right angle impact. It's the last drawer. Have a couple of torque wrenches, 1/2 inch and 1/4, C-clamp, assortment of hole saws, and a doorknob kit by Milwaukee. That's pretty much it for the box. Right beside the box, I have my Pittsburgh 3-ton low profile jack. And on the other side, I have my creeper and the ladder hanging on the wall. A couple more jack stands. Another jack. That's a 2 1/4. And a bottle jack. And a 4-way lug wrench. That's pretty much it. Quick little tour of my small little at-home shop. Keep in mind, I'm just a do-it-yourselfer, not an automotive mechanic. Thanks for watching. Signing out.